Begin by browning the butter. Click the link above to see my video on that. Here it is ready, foamy, separated and translucent, with the fats and the liquid separated, with residue at the bottom of the pan as you can see here. Remember to keep that as it's full of flavour. Transfer to a heat safe bowl to cool down and leave for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cream the softened butter with your sugar until creamy, soft and fluffy. Next, add in your eggs one at a time, beating in between each addition and just until incorporated. Now prepare your dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, salt and finally coffee granules. Give it all a mix through. Now add in a third of your dry mixture to your wet mixture and mix on low speed just until incorporated. Now add in half of your cooled down brown butter, mix till incorporated, then you're adding in a little more of the flour, then the final amount of your browned butter, being sure to add the residue and then add in your final batch of flour. Mix again, and the final stage is to add in any inclusions, in this case chocolate chips. Add them in, folding in increments, and then you'll have an even distribution. Once your batter is ready, take tablespoons of the batter or the dough and drop on your prepared baking tray, leaving lots of space. Lots more space than this pic. Chill and then bake till set. These make lovely soft cookies. Thanks for watching, bakers. Until next time, happy baking!